Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly sunny skies across the region currently. See a little bit of cloud cover off to our west around 3 to 4,000 feet. But overall today we'll see there's mostly sunny skies continuing across the region. Going to see lighter winds in general, so a good day, and temperatures becoming more mild towards seasonable averages around the lower to mid 40s for today. So good day, no chance of lightning or precipitation as well. Let's move into the weekend. We're going to see more chances of some rainfall across the region. Not going to see a lot of total precipitation, but some chances of rainfall across the region for both Saturday and Sunday. And Sunday we could even see a ending snowflake or two or a wintry mix for a brief time period before the precipitation ends. Not expecting any snowfall accumulation from that on Sunday. So move into our sounding from this morning. Freezing level was 700 feet. Winds out of the northwest around 20 to 30 knots in low levels, increasing. And we move into the upper levels up to near 100 knots at 25,000 feet this morning. Current surface analysis, ridge of high pressure across the region this morning. It's giving us good weather. That's going to be the case and remain over our weather for today, and then we'll have a warm front moving through the region for tomorrow, giving us a chance to those rain showers. Then we'll have a cold front and area low pressure moving through the area on Sunday, giving us a chance to those rain showers once again. So our risk chart for today, we'll see green chart across the board. High of 43 today, low of around freezing tonight. Northwesterly to westerly winds today around 7 to 12 knots, becoming light and variable this evening. Allow those temperatures drop down near freezing. And then we'll see our winds turn southerly overnight, 5 to 10 knots. Terminal forecast, we'll see VFR conditions the next 24 hours. So looking like good sky conditions, increase of our mid and upper level cloud cover for tomorrow morning, giving us more cloudy to overcast skies across the region. And taking a look at our current weather, seeing the satellite imagery, you can see those clouds are kind of just remaining just off to our west, hitting the Chesapeake Bay and not moving much farther east than that this morning. So looking at here at Wallops, clear skies across the area in general. Taking a look at the GFS model for the next few days, looking at that rain shower activity possibly moving through on Saturday. Chance it does split us off to the west and to the east, but in general, a fairly good chance we see some showers across the region on Saturday, especially late morning into the early afternoon hours. Moving to Sunday, we'll see additional area low pressure develop along Arctic boundary. Looks like areas north and west of Wallops will see, or well north and west of Wallops, see some snow showers and possibly seeing some accumulating snowfall, mainly looks like west and north of the Chesapeake Bay towards Baltimore and Washington. And you can see here it does end it as possibility of some wintry mix or maybe a light snow shower across the region, but in general no snow accumulation across our area for our Sunday evening. Then we'll just see very cold conditions across the region. Large Arctic air mass builds in for Monday into Tuesday, and that's going to give us cold conditions, temperatures in the overnight lows in the teens, daytime temperatures only in the 20s. And then that's going to set the stage for a possibility of seeing some snow on Wednesday. Models are not in very good agreement of how this system is going to play out. Some models give areas the southeast, including the mid-Atlantic as well, a high-end snowfall. Other models give us completely nothing as well for the southeast states. GFS here is kind of in between, giving us a light to moderate snowfall event across the region on Wednesday. We'll have that cold air in place, temperatures not getting out of the 20s on Wednesday, and we'll see an area low pressure possibly developing off to our south and to our east. So that's a pretty good situation for giving us a possibility of some snowfall. But here's 12Z on Wednesday, and comparing that with the European model. 12Z on Wednesday, no precipitation at all across the region. So just an example of how the models are really not in agreement with this system. But overall, in the general pattern, looks like a pretty good situation. We could be seeing a light snowfall event across the region. And we'll continue to monitor this. That could be a high-end type impact event, as it will be cold, and we will have a possibility of seeing that accumulating snowfall if we do have any precipitation across the region. And move into our Thursday, just going to see cold conditions continuing across the region with high pressure in control. So looking at our Saturday and a Sunday. Saturday, mostly cloudy to overcast, chance of some brief showers, a high of 49 degrees. Saturday night, mostly cloudy to overcast, chance of some patchy drizzle and low clouds, low of 34. And for Sunday, cloudy, low clouds, patchy drizzle, and a chance of some light rain showers. Slight chance of light rain transitioning into some wintry mix by evening. Not expecting a snowfall accumulation, but breezy by the evening as well with that Arctic boundary moving through. High of 44 degrees. We'll see those rainfall chances, high-end orange here, around 60 to 7% for both Saturday and Sunday. As I mentioned, not going to see a lot of precipitation with these events. Most likely be under a tenth of an inch. And Saturday night, most likely just going to see a lot of low clouds and patchy drizzle across the region. So could be seeing a trace to maybe a hundredth of inch of precipitation with this on Saturday night. Our lower ceilings will be across the region, and a chance we see that below 500 feet from Saturday through Sunday. So the next 7 days, we'll see those temperatures finally moderating for today, tomorrow, into Sunday, with temperatures in the 40s. Then we go back into the very cold temperatures, well below average for this time of year, and for any time of year here at Wallops. Temperatures only in the 20s on Monday, mid-20s on Tuesday, and possibly only seeing the lower 20s on Wednesday. And that chance of snowfall, capping it now at a 40% chance of seeing that on Wednesday. But the pattern does look like a fairly good situation of seeing some snowfall here at Wallops on Wednesday, but that could change once we move the next few days and could just be a very cold air mass moving through and just seeing temperatures well below average with no precipitation across the region. And then Thursday next week, we should see temperatures start to rebound towards freezing, but that is going to be some cold weather. Wind chills will be in the negative single digits as it looks right now for the morning hours of Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So looking like, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, not Monday. So looking like some fairly cold air across the area. That looks like very likely for next week. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Everybody has a great day and enjoying the holiday on Monday as well. We'll be back on Tuesday, 8:15 at 10 a.m.